Good day and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we will be showing you how to create and close a credit sale. To begin, log into your account. Step 2. Go to the sale page. Step 3. Select all the products the customer requires. Step 4. Tag the customer. You can add a new customer or search from your database. Step 5. Insert the amount the customer is paying, if any. Step 6. Select credit sale. The invoice will be created and sent to the customer. You can now access the records using the credit sales report in Reports. If you would like a copy of the invoice, you can insert your email in the field provided. Here is how to update/close a credit sale previously created. Step 1. Log into your account. Step 2. Go to the sale page. Step 3. On the sale page, search credit sale by phone number. Use the customer's registered phone number to search for unsettled invoices. Step 4. Select the invoice to be settled. Step 5. Insert the amount being paid. Step 6. Select credit sale if this is not the final installment of the customer, or select pay if this is the customer's final payment. The credit sale is now closed and recorded as a full sale and will be available in your sales report in Reports for tracking purposes. Log in and try it now. For more details or further inquiries, do not hesitate to contact us via the feedback and support button or by sending an email to onboarding@interswitchng.com.